think what Kalitta offers over other repair stations is we're also a 121 airline. That's where we got our start. We understand what it takes to deliver a reliable, on-time aircraft.
Being an airline, we understand the importance of getting that product out in a timely manner to meet the customer's requirements. So we take that professionalism that we have at our Oscoda facility. We can perform that maintenance for you and get it back as quickly as possible.
We also have an experienced workforce, pretty deep in the bench. 17 years is the average experience here for production personnel, with almost 70% of those certificated mechanics.
Of the people up in Oscoda, which I have over 1,100 employees up there, 70% of them have the licenses, what we call the A&P. Nobody else has that. In fact, most of my competitors I do work for.
We have the advantage that we're a one-stop shop. I mean, you can fly your aircraft here, drop the engines, bring the engines over here to the shop, have them maintained and work, at the same time having your aircraft serviced as well.
We're a Class 4 145 repair station, which allows us to work on any aircraft above 12,500 pounds of all-metal construction. We do specialize in Boeing aircraft. We can handle anything from 707, 727, 3747, 57, 67, and 777.
We can add different types of aircraft, different types of engines instantly.
Kalitta's maintenance base in Oscoda, Michigan boasts over 500,000 square feet of hangar and engine shop space, full of state-of-the-art tools and technology. Danabat grinders, CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, borescope technologies, just to name a few. Plus, Kalitta's in-house metrology lab carefully calibrates sensitive aviation tooling to help ensure precise repairs.
We've really expanded our engineering staff. We have components on the airplanes with high failure rates, so we chose to get our own PMA authorization. We've started to machine and build and design our own replacement cargo handling fixtures and adapters. That's gone very well.
In fact, under their own PMA approval, Kalitta fabricates pieces such as ball transfer units to help make the task of loading and unloading cargo more efficient. The maintenance personnel average 20 years of experience, focused on safety and attention to detail.
Once the engine is disassembled and into the piece part level, every single one of those parts go through our inspection process. They'll go to be cleaned per the manual. They'll end up in the inspection department where they're scrutinized per the engine manual.
Our engine base has grown with OEM work coming in. To meet the demand of more aircraft, more engines, we've had to expand.
We purchased Building 3 last year. It's 45,000 square foot. We will be doing Pratt & Whitney 4,000 engines in there.
And that will be in addition to the 2 existing engine shops already on site. Massive hangars that accommodate the largest of 747s and 767s. And a 10-meter test cell. This test cell is the only one like it in the United States.
The test cell is capable of running engines up to 60,000 pounds of thrust, the CF680C2. That's a 10-meter test cell where we can take the engine up to maximum takeoff. We're looking for any vibration problems, trim issues, any kind of pressure issues or temperature issues with the engines. If there are any problems with the build or any parts issues, we find them out here.
The engine test cell allows large-scale evaluations to be performed at the highest level. Leak checks, performance testing, fuel and oil system preservations, and post-test inspections.
We recently added a 8,000 square foot test cell prep area. This enables us to prep engines and stage engines that are ready for test. We can have 4 engines sitting here and put them through the test cell in 4 days.
With over 60 years of combined engine, aircraft, and test cell troubleshooting experience, Kalitta's ability to satisfy an aircraft customer's needs is unparalleled.
When we're doing customer work, I always try to exceed their expectations, make them happy as much as possible, and give them the best product that we can.
I think our customers have certain expectations. We always try to exceed their expectations. We treat their airplanes like we treat our own airplanes.
They set the baseline. We try to go over that baseline on every project that comes through the shop.
We look at our reliability of our aircraft coming out of here. I believe with just our background and our experience level that we have here, we're the place to be.
I think customers, they keep on coming back wanting services, and I think it's because of what we give them and the quality of work that we do for them.
Kalitta is proud to be a one-stop shop for their customers' aircraft needs, including A, B, C, and D checks, and engine checks as well. Everything from minor repairs and field service repairs to heavy repairs and overhauls. Kalitta has it covered at their Oscoda maintenance site.
I mean, I've seen these mechanics do things that no other airline can do. A lot of that has to do with the fact that they are trained in-house and they get to do tasks on an aircraft that no one else can do at another airline. A student needs both classroom training and they need on-the-job training. The classroom training normally provides them with fundamentals. It gives them system knowledge. When they go out to the aircraft and actually service the hydraulic system, let's say, for example, they replace a filter or replace a reservoir, that's the hands-on component. There's nothing that can replace that.
I was able to work my way up into the OJT program, being a mechanics helper, and that on-the-job training, that allowed me to get the experience with the hands-on portion. I worked with a lot of great mechanics. I worked on engines, flight controls, hydraulic systems, landing gear, brakes, even simply floorboards to insulation. It all gave me a great sense of the entire operation of the aircraft.
Kalitta's newly relocated and refurbished tire and brake shop in Ypsilanti, Michigan is dedicated to repairing aircraft tires and brakes to like-new condition. From teardown to cleaning to inspection, paint, and reassembly. This operation is like no other in the industry.
I feel that we do a good job here at Kalitta Tire and Brake, as we know the needs of a large airline, what the daily requirements are, the specific needs that they have.
We do all our own wheels and brakes, which is quite a job with an airplane. Like one 747, it has 18 wheels on it.
I definitely get a great feeling when I see an aircraft that we perform maintenance on, get ready for the departure, and actually take off.
I'm proud of the work we do here at Kalitta. We do a good job. We're a safe, reliable company.
Working with each other, trying to get the job done, trying to get it out on time, and putting out a quality product. We are absolutely one of the best teams in the industry.
I would have to say the people that I work with is probably the reason I get up in the morning and come into work.
I'm just proud to be part of this company.
It's never a dull moment here. Something changes on the fly constantly, and you're learning every day.
And every day that you come in here is a new day, new challenge. It's just a great place to be.
I love it. I love doing this. I'm here usually before 7 o'clock every morning. I eat, live, and sleep the company. And I'm very proud of what I've been able to put together.
Connie Kalitta is a racing legend on the drag strip, and the same ideals that fuel his racing passion carry over into how he manages his aircraft maintenance team.
You're either going backwards or you're going forward. We're going forward, and it shows.
To learn more about how Kalitta can best serve your aircraft maintenance needs, please visit KalittaAir.com. Call them. They'll be glad to answer all your questions and arrange a visit to their Oscoda, Michigan facility.